Hello, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through your client tracking portal. Okay, so once you get your link and log in for your client tracking portal, you will get an email asking you to set up an email and a password, or to set up your password, because we will use the email in the system. So when you click on, you'll come to this screen right here after you done set up your password. And the first thing you'll see is our company information to the left, and you'll see your account information to the right, where you can log in or change your password. And you'll see your name, Hello Mary Taylor. Now this is a dummy account that I created so I can show you guys what's happening in your back office, or in your client tracking portal. That's what we call it. So the first screen you'll go to is your overview screen, which is this screen right here. And in this screen, it lists your different credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It also lists the initial scores that you started with, your current scores, and the improvement score. Okay, so sometimes you may see in the credit restoration process, your scores may go down. From this one right here, this dummy account went down. And Experian, it went up 31 points, and TransUnion, it went up 14 points. So your scores are going to fluctuate throughout the credit restoration process, but it will level off. It will taper off, because you're going to be having old accounts with history that's coming off. You're going to have accounts coming off that may have a high credit limit, because and you may have made some errors in that account, or some negative information is on that account, and now it needs to come off, even though it has a high credit limit, and it may have some age to it. So it's going to fluctuate throughout the credit restoration process until, like I say, you level off. But you'll see here in this account where it says Equifax had a total of 19 accounts. None was repaired. Repaired means like if an account is late and it's updated to paid as agreed, or something like that. It had 18 deleted accounts and 1 remaining in dispute. Same thing for Experian. 0 repaired, 12 deleted, and 4 are remaining. And 12 accounts in TransUnion, 0 repaired, 3 were deleted, and 9 remaining in dispute. And you'll see where sometimes we have to address the creditors directly or the collectors directly, and it'll tell you how many were in dispute for each of those. And here's the summary. You have 14 in dispute, 0 repaired, 33 deleted, and the total of 10 negative items. So down here you have the company information that you can get in touch with us at. So the next screen is your bureau screen. And it gives you all the bureaus that we were working with, all the accounts that we were working with each bureau. So you'll see here's Equifax. It has some inquiries on here that were deleted. You have other account, which is personal information. You have late payments that's currently in dispute, and some more inquiries. And same thing for Experian. You'll have all that information whenever something goes out. You'll see where it's been deleted or is currently in dispute for all 3 bureaus. So you can kind of track and see what's going on with that. Let's see. So as far as the credit bureaus and tracking, under the tracking, you have the credit bureaus, the creditors, and the collectors respectively. So you'll actually see that who it went out to: Experian, XPN, TU is TransUnion, and EFX is Equifax. And you'll see the name of the creditors, or the credit bureaus that it went to, like the Home Depot, SunTrust, Nissan Motors, and you'll see the account number in reference to that account name, the date that it was sent, and when it was due by. Okay, so that's for the credit bureaus all the way down, and they'll keep a history of everything that was done in your account right here. And this is for the creditors. So you'll see different creditors, account number, the date it was sent, and the date due by, and the type of account it was, whether it was late, whether it was a charge off, or whatever it is. And then you have like the collections. If it was any collections here, you have the collector type, which will be a collection account. The date is sent out, the date is due by, the account number, and the collector's name right there. So you go to your document section. Now, this is a really cool section right here because this is where you really communicate with us on. The rest of them, we communicate with you to let you know what's going on. But this section right here is the account, the tab that you will actually communicate with us on. And you'll see up here to the top right, you can get it on the Play Store. If you have like an Android phone, you can get it on your phone. You can have it ready to go, and you can check it out anytime you get ready. And you can download it on the App Store right here. If you have like a iPhone or something like that, or a mobile device that's Apple related. And you can go here. It tells you what type of documents that we can accept. For example, your credit reports. When you do your credit reports, you'll go here, and more than likely they'll be on your phone, or more than likely they'll be on a desktop. And you'll go to general for these right here. When you choose your file name can't have any like foreign characters in there. For example, if this was your Equifax report, you'll put Equifax, the report date, and the report number. If you can fit all that in there, that's fine. If not, then that's fine too. But don't put no dashes, no commas, no ampersand sign, no dollar sign, or no pound sign, or nothing like that up in there, because it won't upload, it won't take. And then you put your file name. Like I said, your file name goes right here in this box. Like you're gonna go like Mary Taylor Experian report number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever that number is, and the date 3/13/2021. So you'll do it like that, and we'll know what it is. So don't put nothing like report number comma right here. Don't put that there because it's not going to take, and you'll wonder why it don't take, but that's why it's not going to take. So you just make sure you have those characters out of there, and then just do it like that. And then you just hit send. It's going to upload. When it upload, it's going to populate down here. Like for example, right here in document number 1, it'll be the description that you put right here. That'll be that description that's going to go right there, and the date and time that you upload is going to go right here. And you can also download these documents as well. Once you upload them and they take, you can download them as well. And then you can print and view the document right here. For example, let me see, can I do this? Hope I don't open another account. It opened on another screen, so you can't see that. But anyway, it'll show you the document that you just uploaded right here. And it'll tell you who was uploaded by, the company or the client, which is you, the client, we as the company. And you can delete the document. For example, if you looked at it and it's all crooked or whatever, you just can delete it and start over. And also updated credit reports from the bureaus as well. Proof of residence. Now, these are specific: proof of residence, proof of identification, and proof of documents. These are specific. And you go here to do your Social Security card right here. And it tells you what file types can be uploaded. And it tells you the maximum limit right here. So you got doc, docx if you're doing like on Word or something like that. Your JPEG, your PNG, and even a PDF document. So you choose like the Social Security number, and however you done downloaded or uploaded it on your computer or your device, you choose that file name right here, and then you'll name it Mary Taylor Social Security card, and then you'll send. It's gonna populate down here. It's gonna populate down here. And same thing for your proof of identity. When you get ready to upload your driver's license or your passport or your state ID, you'll click right here, and then you'll upload that file, and you change it to Mary Taylor. You can either say driver's license, or you can say proof of ID. You can say proof of ID right there. Okay. So same thing for your other documents. Your proof of residence. Let's go to proof of residence. So wherever you live, like a light bill, water bill, gas bill, If you have a bank statement, we don't need the whole thing. The only thing that we need is the top portion that says that like it's a light bill, water bill, a gas bill, and your name, like your bank statement. We don't need all that stuff. We don't need to know how much money you got in there, or we don't need to know about how much your light bill or anything like that or utility bill is. So we need that right there. Okay, so you'll put marital proof of residence. So you'll put that right there. You choose your file and you put that right there. Like I said, any documents that you receive other than your proof of residence, your proof of identification, and your social security card, then you upload it as general. It's on like another one extra tab, general. So everything else will be general except your social security card, your ID, and your proof of residence. So you'll see all that stuff down here. It's going to be down here, and you can upload it, you can download it, you can view it, or whatever at this point right here. Another thing that I wanted to let you guys know that we have a new feature. You can download. I think I said, I don't know if I said it, but I'm gonna say it again. You can download this right here, this app in the Play Store, the Google Play Store, or the App Store, depending on what type of device you have. You can have this your client tracking portal on the go with you on your phone, so you don't have to worry about logging in the computer or trying to log in a little thing on your phone so you can see it. But right here, you can download your app right here, and you can upload documents from your app if you have them on your phone, or you can like your driver license or whatever. The next tab is your messages tab. And this is very important too, because this is where you communicate with us. So here's one right here. You can send like, hello, just testing out my portal, reply to me. And then, so if we need to communicate with you, we'll communicate with you through the message tab, and you will get your messages down here. And if you communicate with us, they'll populate back into the client tracking portal inside your message tab. Hello, just testing today. If you want to say, hey, Miss Mary, or whoever your processor is, hello, Lisa, or hello, Madison, please call me. I have some questions about a document I received, or whatever you put in there. I mean, more than likely, you're going to be uploading your documents anyway, because we just talked about that in the documents tab. Or if you have a specific question in reference to whatever, just send us a message, and we'll get that message. It'll go send. And it says your message have been sent. And you'll see this right here. Hello, Madison. Hello, Lisa. Please call me. And it's inside your tracking portal. And the reason we use the message tab in here, because we can keep up with all the conversations that we done had. If you send it through like an email or something like that, it's going to get lost in the email. I'm quite sure if we send you something, it's going to get lost in the email as well. So go ahead and use your client tracking portal. That way we can say, oh yeah, you did send this to us on June 10th, or March 13th, or whenever. And then that way we can reply. When we reply, it'll come back inside your portal as well. So this is really cool feature right here. That way you can keep up with us. We can keep up with you, and we can have our conversations right here. Now we will talk to you on the phone. That's not a problem. But if you want something like documented, our documented conversations or whatever, it'll be right here, and we can tell you, hey, yes, go ahead. I mean, this will be us on the other end. Like, go ahead and do this, that, and the other, or this is what you do here, or whatever we'll tell you to do. On the education tab, you'll have a whole lot of education information right here. If I click on it, it's going to go to another screen. You're not going to be able to see it anyway. But this is inside your portal. You'll be able to see all of these inside your client tracking portal, and give you 5 ways to find home loans for bad credit, your credit score answers, raise your credit score, simple ways to increase, how to build credit. It's going to give you all the information right there. You just can go through it and look at it. And you're also going to be within our automated system, where we actually send out you emails throughout the process. You'll be getting emails, all kinds of stuff to help you with your credit education, and just take advantage of those. And if you have any questions about them, just say, hey, Miss Mary, I got an email saying whatever that email is saying. Can you please explain? Or and maybe we can do a video explaining what we're talking about, so everybody in our community will understand what's going on if they have questions on that same email as well. On the center referral tab, you will have if you refer someone to us, and everyone that you refer to us, you will get a $25 from us, but they have to actually sign up, not just you referring them to us, but they have to actually sign up. Okay, so if they sign up, then you'll get $25. So you put their name in here, you get their phone number and their email, and you're gonna put your information here, your name, your phone, your email, and notes. Hey, Miss Mary, this is my cousin I was talking to you about. He needs credit restoration. Can you reach out to him or something like that? And then you'll hit send. You'll hit send right here, and we'll get the message. It'll populate to us. On the credit monitoring tab, I'm not gonna go on that one. This is a new feature right here. This is actually your credit monitoring that you can log into. You'll get a free credit monitoring with the VIP package, and you can actually log into your put your credentials there. That way they'll already be in the system. Now, when you go through the process of signing up, you will actually have an opportunity to put that information there as well. But if you miss that during the sign up process and you have to go back and do it, then you can go ahead and put your information there on the credit monitoring site. And I think that's just about it. Like I said, these tabs over here, your overview tab, your bureaus tab, and your tracking tab, and your education tab, that's stuff that we actually input information so it can populate into your client tracking portal. But the document section is what you do. You will upload information here. We'll communicate together right here at the message tab, and you can send a referral right here on the referral tab. So if you have any other questions about your client tracking portal, just feel free to reach out to us. Hey, Miss Mary, I didn't understand it. I missed that. Or I didn't understand when you said this, that, or other. Maybe I talked too fast or whatever. And you can actually get in touch with us. You can get in touch with us through the message tab right here. Okay? And we'll be glad to respond to you. We'll be glad to answer any of your questions. And I think that's all. All right. Again, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. And thank you for signing up for our credit restoration program. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Have a good one. Bye-bye.